150 times stronger than onions and garlic. Hair grows extremely quickly. Today I will show you a natural recipe that will help you grow hair. Save this video for later so you don't lose it. First, we need rosemary. Rosemary makes hair longer and thicker. Add a handful of rosemary to a pan. From which city are you watching the video from? Let me know in the comments. Add 2 tablespoons of rice, add a few cloves, add cinnamon, add 200 milliliters of water. Place the ingredients on the stove for 5 minutes. After the ingredients boil, the color of the water becomes dark. Filter the mixture using a sieve. To use this recipe, we need a spray bottle. Pour this mixture into a spray bottle. Spray your scalp with this solution. Then massage your scalp well with your fingers. Leave this solution on your hair for a night.
If you've made it this far, comment the word hair and follow me for more tips. Thank you very much.